Hello, my name is Mircha. I come from Slovenia. My background is in medicine. I studied medicine, and I have an interactive live presentation, so I need to press next. And here we go. I used to work in a hospital for a very short time. I worked at the Ministry of Health for some time and at the National Institute of Public Health. Areas of interest where I worked in include quality and safety, also including performance indicators, health system performance assessment, and evidence-informed policy making. Right now, I am based here at the DAMC, doing my project under the supervision of Dion Kringos and Nick Klasinga. Why talk about performance in long-term care, where one of the reasons is quite obvious, I believe, to the public here, and that is that we are aging, not only each of us, but also the population of the European Union is. And this has also implication in terms of spending, so the foreseen spending in the area of long-term care is going to increase. But what's particularly interesting is a finding, for example, in one of the report by the OECD done together with the European Commission in 2013, that long-term care quality measurement actually lags behind comparable effort in health. And this sets the scope for the project that I have just started to undertake. So the scope is how to use performance reporting effectively in long-term care. It is a very broad question, and it is structured into three more specific objectives. I'm not going to read those. I'll try to paraphrase it in a sense. So the question is why really some indicators have been developed, have been picked up by more healthcare systems or by more providers than other indicators. Why some realities, some facilities or some systems picked up the indicators and others didn't. What makes indicators fit for use, for example, for international comparisons, or what makes them fit for use for individual facilities. So trying to understand what are the characteristics not only of the indicators per se, but also how they were developed, whether they are embedded in policy cycle, and everything that goes in between is what I will try to understand. Now, this is a very broad scope, and it will narrow down according to also partly the opportunity that will present themselves, so I'm sure that also with the collaborations of some of you, we can tap out some of this opportunity. This is all on my side. Thank you.